Bienvenidos. Welcome. My name is Liliana and today we're going to learn the letter Z. In Spanish, it's pronounced zeta. Zeta. And when we pair this letter with the vowels, it sounds very much like the S. Let's take a look. Sa, se, si, so, su. Sa, se, si, so, su. The sound is very similar like the S. Let's take a look at a few sentences. Me, M-E, G-U, gu, and then we're going to add the S sound, gus, T-A, ta, gusta. El, C-O, co, L-O, lo, and then we'll add the OR sound, lor, color. A, Z-U, su, and we'll add the L at the end, sul, azul. Me gusta el color azul. Me gusta el color azul. It means I like the color blue. If you're new to this class, make sure to watch the previous classes because we've seen some of these letters and sounds in those classes, and that's why I'm going a little bit fast. Let's take a look at a second sentence. El, Z-O, so, R-O, ro, zorro. Es, F-E, fe, L-I, li, and the zeta at the end, it's going to act like the S. So it's going to have that S sound, lis, feliz. El zorro es feliz. El zorro es feliz. And it means the fox is happy. La, G-A, ga, and then it has the OR sound, gar, Z-A, sa, garza. C-O, co, M-E, me, come. P-E, pe, and we'll add the S sound, pez, C-A, D-O, do, pescado. La garza come pescado. La garza come pescado, and it means the heron eats fish. So as you can see, the sound is very similar to the S sound. So whenever you see the Z in the words, you're going to pronounce it like the S. I want to talk a little bit about the C. It is pronounced se. And if you've been following the classes, we've seen this one before. And we learned it makes the K sound with certain vowels. Today, we're going to look at the CE, which is actually se. So in this case, the C is going to sound like the S or like the Z in Spanish. So when you see a word that has CE, CE, it's going to sound like se. And when you have a word with CI, it's going to sound like si. Remember that the I in Spanish is E. So again, it's going to sound like the S. Se, si. And we'll look at a few sentences to practice. El, C-I, si, E-L-O, lo, cielo. Es, and we have azul again. El cielo es azul. El cielo es azul. It means the sky is blue. Me, G-U-S, gus, T-A, ta, gusta. La, C-E-C-N-A, na, cena. Me gusta la cena. Me gusta la cena. It means I like dinner. All right, now you know all the C sounds in Spanish. If you see CA, CO, or CU, it's going to have the K sound. If you see CE, CI, it's going to have the S sound. So once you learn that, it's fairly simple to remember, but it takes practice. So remember to practice, work on your pronunciation, and try to repeat after you hear the Spanish words. By now, you should be able to read easier passages, and we'll practice with longer paragraphs as we end the 30 days, but you're getting to know most of the consonant sounds by now. This is all I have for you today. I will see you on the next class.